Welcome back, Spyder owners. Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have our Lamin-X pre-cut headlight lens covers for the 2020 newer Can-Am Spyder RT models. If you own a 2020 or newer Spyder RT and you're looking to protect your headlight lenses against hazing, cloudiness, or rock chips, then a pair of our Lamin-X headlight covers may be right for you. These headlight covers are made from an adhesive-backed 12mm Lamin-X film that's been pre-cut for a precision fit over your factory headlight lenses, as well as your front fender tip lights. These lens covers are available in multiple tint levels such as clear, tint, and gunsmoke, as well as colored film options such as yellow, blue, amber, green, and pink. Now please note that if you plan on running anything other than clear, we'd recommend that you check with your state or local laws before installation, since colored or tinted films may not be legal for street use. Now today I'm going to walk you through the installation on our Shop 2020 RT, and if you plan on doing this installation yourself, we'd recommend also purchasing our optional install kit, which will include a squeegee, mist sprayer, and retractable trim tool, making for a straightforward installation. Now let's get started. Start by pressing down on your key and turning it counterclockwise to unlock and open your frunk, so that you can lift this access panel up and off. Now test fit the Lamin-X to your headlight to make sure you have the correct side, and so that you can see how it will align. Now use your spray bottle with some clean filtered water to clean the outside of your headlight. Next, peel back the protective backing from your Lamin-X, making sure to only grab the tabs on the film. Then spray the headlight one more time, followed by the back of your Lamin-X film, and align it to the headlight so that the top and outside corner line up first. And once you have it where you like it, spray the outside of the Lamin-X and use your squeegee tool, starting at the top to adhere the film to the headlight while pressing out the water and the air bubbles. Next, wipe down the lens with a clean, dry towel, and use your trim tool to carefully cut off the excess tabs on the Lamin-X, making sure not to cut into the headlight or the plastics. Then you can just repeat that same process for the other headlight, reinstall your access panel, and close your frunk. Now test your front tip light so you can see how it will align. Then spray your lens with clean filtered water and use a clean dry cloth to wipe it dry. Then peel back the protective backing tape from your Lamin-X, making sure to only touch the two tabs on the ends. Now spray the tip light one more time. Then you can spray the back of the Lamin-X film before aligning it over top of the lens. Now, once you have it aligned where you want it, spray the outside of your Lamin-X film and use your squeegee tool to adhere the film to the tip light while pressing out the water and the air bubbles. Next, wipe down the lens with your clean, dry towel and use your trim tool to carefully cut off the excess tabs of the Lamin-X, making sure not to cut into the light or the plastics. And then simply repeat that same process for the other side. And there you have it, folks. So protecting your 2020 newer Spyder RT headlight lenses with either clear, tinted, or colored lens covers is on your mod list. And be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab a kit for your Spyder And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Spyder. I'm Brandon, signing out. Next time.